Hi guys, what you're staring at is my Wonder Wash. It's from the Laundry Alternative Inc. and they also have a website, www.laundry-alternative.com, and this is about the size of a propane tank, and you saw me put my 1 tablespoon of soap in. Okay, you only need 1 tablespoon. And what's really important is the soap you use, okay? I get this soap from the Lemure company, and this is a bulk package-free type store, zero waste store, but specifically for like laundry soap, dish soap, shampoo, conditioner, etc. And they literally have huge barrels on the inside of the store, and you can buy the container the first time and refill it, or you can use your own container. So what's also very important is that this soap is concentrated. So I only used a tablespoon because it's concentrated. You only need 1 tablespoon, okay? You don't have to overdo it. Now, what's also very important is this is a very ecological product, okay? So there's no like bad chemicals and bad stuff, and I'll put this all this information on the screen for you to read because there's a lot like there's a lot of information. I think I'd be talking for like 20 minutes about it. You know, it's not tested on animals. It's made in Canada. It's biodegradable. And what's really important to me is that this is suitable for, one, septic tanks. We don't have one, but it is. And more importantly to me, this is suitable for gray water systems, which means the water from this product I can put on my garden after, and it is safe to use on your garden, no problem. So we have our 1 tablespoon in with a little bit of water. You literally saw my dirty laundry. So we're gonna load it up, and you can fit kind of a lot, kind of not a lot. So I got socks and squares going in, I got face cloths, I got my cleaning rags going in, and I'm just stretching out my socks like normal. We got underwear going in, we got dishcloths and face cloths. We have a t-shirt going in. Now you can fit quite a bit in here. I have another t-shirt going in. More socks. Another shirt. Another shirt. Yeah, so now you don't want to pack it to the top, okay? Just a little bit before the top, because the clothes need some room to move around in it. So I would say it's packed up to like here about. Now we're going to fill it with water. This is my garden hose. This is cold water. Whoop. And you have a fill line. You want to fill it to here with water. You don't want to fill to the top, because when you agitate it, you move it manually, the clothing needs to move. It needs to slosh around like in a washing machine. So I'm going to do it to about here. And I was very fortunate. I found this Wonder Wash on a garage sale site, and I paid $25 Canadian for it. And I absolutely love this thing. I love it so much. I've been using it for a few years. And obviously it's off-grid, it's no electricity needed, costs you nothing to use. Another really cool thing about it is, if you didn't have a garden hose, you could use your rain barrel catchment system for the water. And they actually still make this product. The company is still making it, but I believe it comes in different colors now. So it has a lid. Okay, and it's written on it, turn it to the left to open. So you stick it on, and you turn it to the right, can't go any further, and it has this like thing, and you push it down. Now it's locked. Okay, has a handle. Okay, and it does have suction cups on the bottom, so you can like put this on a flat surface to suction cup it, but I just have it sitting here. This is your drain hose on the bottom. Okay. And you're just going to turn it. Now what's important is you don't want to turn it fast. This is too fast. Okay? That's really too fast. You can also turn it forward, or you can turn it backwards whenever your arm gets tired, basically. So we want to turn it on a pretty slow speed for about 3 minutes. Now that I've been spinning for 3 minutes, we need to drain it, okay? So that's the drain hose on the bottom, and it comes with this attachment. So we're going to put it in, twist it, and the water's going to drain out. So we're going to attach it to the bottom, and the water is draining out, but it's not draining out very fast. You need to release the pressure. We need to open this and open the whole thing. Now it's under a little pressure, and once you do that, the water is going to flow out like crazy. Now I want this going in my garden, so I'm just going to turn it so the water goes into my garden. There, so the water is flowing right into my garden. No problem. Don't worry about it. It's perfectly fine for your plants. Once it drains, we're going to refill it to the line, And you're going to do the same thing for 3 minutes again, but not adding any more soap. This is your rinse cycle. Now, if you have clothes that's really dirty, that you like really dirty, you could just leave it. Just turn it for a minute, let's say a minute or 2 minutes, and then just let it sit. Let it sit and soak and really get the dirt out. And when you go back and do it, the dirt will easily come out of your clothing. Now, this is the part that personally is not that fun. Okay? You need to wring out the clothing, okay? As much as possible. If you do not wring out your clothing, it's going to take forever to dry. Secondly, it's already going to take a little bit long to dry. Okay? So normally I do this early in the morning on a nice hot day. I use this machine when we have good weather. In bad weather, winter, obviously I can't use it. Now, I am trying to find a spinner. They do sell off-grid, no electricity spinners. It basically looks like a giant salad spinner for your clothes. I have not been able to find one yet, and I don't want to buy one new because they're over $100. So I've been holding out for a few years trying to find one secondhand. How about if we talk about pros and cons of the machine? Well, for one thing, it's very small. You saw where I kept it on my wall. It lives there, no problem. It does kind of hold a lot for its size. It's off-grid, no electricity. It's not going to cost you any money to run. Drains well, washes well. Your stuff does come out clean. How about the cons to the machine? Well, I'm doing it right now. Wringing out clothes, that's a con for me. I guess you could say you have to do multiple loads. So in one way, it's small at the same time as big, I guess. I would recommend doing more loads. I guess I would recommend washing your clothes more often, so you would have smaller loads instead of having to spend the day doing many loads. Unless you have a day set out that you're not doing anything anyways, and then it doesn't really matter. What's another con? Well, if you want to use it in the winter, which I have, I can't use it outside in the winter, obviously. I live in Quebec, Canada. There's a lot of snow. It's frozen, you know, it's cold. So I have used this in my bathroom, in my bathtub. And I suppose a con would be if you had to buy it brand new. I believe, I don't remember how much they cost. I think it was over $100, $150. That was the last time I looked, so it could be different now. I don't know. But that is my off-grid washing setup. So I hope you had fun washing my dirty laundry. I'll see you next time. And remember, it's about doing what you can with what you have.